Friday from the National Real Estate Cafe with don&gino and this is your weekly update of what's going on in the markets this week. Well, there were some big numbers that came out, but the main thing is the Fed met this week, and they always decide on what direction interest rates are going. Well, the good news is they didn't make any changes, of course. The Fed basically actually talked about inflation shifting lower. So that could be good news of not having more interest rate hikes. Remember, those are short-term interest rate hikes, not long-term interest rates. In fact, due to the stock market crashing lately, we've all seen that, actually a lot of investors are pulling it away from stocks and into bonds, which is actually lowering interest rates. And that is good news. So if you're thinking about purchasing your first home, your next home, or refinancing, now is the time. And in fact, a lot of you are getting smart and jumped on these lower rates. And you can see that we had a big jump in home sales in December versus November. But be careful. They're going to talk about how these are the highest numbers we have seen in years and be careful for the next bubble. Bottom line is we had a new regulation called TRID regarding how we disclose loans. It put a delay on our loans in November by a few days, which pushed them into December. So December looked phenomenal. In fact, existing home sales jumped 15% and new home sales jumped 11%. Wow. So just want to give you an update on what's really happening in the market today. Bottom line is the housing market is strong. We're running out of inventory, so it's a good time to sell. And it's also a good time to buy because, believe it or not, price is going to go up and interest rates eventually will go up. So you need to take action. Hear it right here in the National Real Estate Cafe. You can receive these daily by texting NREC to the number 58885 or check us out at nrecafe.com. Have a great weekend.